The lady from Uncle. The lady.
Hi, today I want to take a look at official artist channels at YouTube. This follows on from the video I did before, which is on topic channels. And an official artist channel is basically a sort of a combination of the user's original self-managed YouTube channel and the topic channel. So let's actually go and use the same example, Bridget Mari, and go to her official artist channel. The way to see whether a channel is an official artist channel is to basically hover over the musical note at the end of their name, and you'll see that it comes up official artist channel. Now, what is an official artist channel? Well, as you might have guessed, that this is a musical artist. They make music and they upload this particular music through their digital distributor, and that begets them a topic channel. But in this particular instance, Bridget Mari already had a YouTube channel before she got a topic channel, and she uploaded her own videos over the years. So what actually happens then is that once she has a topic channel, she is in a position to then apply for an official artist channel and bring together the distributed content from her topic channel and the content that she's already uploaded to her YouTube channel, the one that she self-manages. And the beauty with an official artist channel is that she has complete control over the content. She can upload her channel banner, her avatar. She can create shelves for her shorts, for her music videos. She can put up her albums. She can select how she wants to display her content, and she gets the releases tab. Now, the releases tab is the content that's come over from the topic channel. And now when people say the topic channel merges with the official artist channel, that's not quite true, because the topic channel continues to exist. It's just that the content between the two, i.e. the artist's own YouTube channel and the topic channel for them, is shared. So what does this actually mean, and is it difficult to get it? Well, there is an official help article, and I shall share the link for it below. It tells you what you need to do in order to be eligible for it, and also how to apply. And basically, it's very similar to how you would go about getting your topic channel. It may not have been, a topic channel may not have been something that you planned on, but it certainly is something that happens when you have a distributor or a label engaged. So in this case, Bridget Mari uploaded content via CD Baby, or had CD Baby upload content for her, and that then allowed her to qualify for an official artist channel. So as I say, I will give you the link for this below, and you can then see whether you can apply for it. The benefit of the official artist channel, of course, is the fact that it is so editable. Of course, when you delete it, thinking that you will then have everything removed from YouTube, that won't be the case, because bear in mind that the topic channel, as discussed in the previous video, is auto-generated by YouTube, and it will continue to exist even if you delete your official artist channel. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.